Students, see page number 31. Now see paragraph. Britain turns to India. Try to understand and listen carefully. Faced with the rising demand for indigo in Europe, demand for indigo in European countries, because of rising demand, now Britain turns to our country. Why? Because they wanted to earn more and more income by the indigo cultivation. The company in India looked for ways to expand the area under indigo cultivation. The company looking for many ways how to expand, how to develop the cultivation of indigo. Now turn page, see the page number 32. I am reading this paragraph. Now try to understand. From the last decades of the 18th century, last decades means last years of the 18th century, indigo cultivation in Bengal expanded rapidly. In Bengal, cultivation of indigo developed, expanded. How rapidly? And Bengal indigo came to dominate the world market. And one more important thing, Bengal indigo, that was the most important, and it dominated over the world market. It was more demanded, Bengal indigo. In 1788, only about 30% of the indigo imported into Britain was from India. In 1788, the indigo imported means bring in. So indigo which was brought in Britain from our country, from India, how much proportion? 30% was in the year 1788. By 1810, the proportion means amount had gone up to 95%. Now you can see in the year 1788, 30%. Now by 1810, indigo which was brought from our country, where in Britain, how much proportion? 95% had gone up, increased. Why? Because of rising demand of our indigo. Now see this paragraph. As the indigo trade grew, indigo business, now grew means develop here. Commercial agents and officers of the company began investing in indigo production. Now as the indigo business developed, so many commercial agents, as well as the officers company officers. Now they started to invest their money in Indigo business. Over the years, many company officials left their jobs to look after their Indigo business. Now so many company officers, they resigned from their jobs. They left their jobs. Why? To take care their business, Indigo business. Why? Because that was a good source of income, good earning from Indigo business. Attracted by, now I am reading this paragraph. Attracted by the prospect of high profits. Now, commercial agents and officers, they were attracted by the hope. Here, prospect means hope of high profits. They felt that they would earn lot of money from Indigo trade. Numerous means many. Scotsmen and Englishmen came to India and became planters. So many Scotsmen as well as the Englishmen came in our country and they became planters, means they started plantation, Indigo plantation in our country. Those who had no money to produce Indigo could get loans from the company and the banks. Now those who wanted to start business, trade, Indigo trade, but because of no money, so money was also provided by the company as well as the banks also. So they took loan and they started Indigo business or trade were coming up at the time. Now students, remaining paragraph we will read in next clip.